2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.